Hello everyone, my name is Tejas Devgar and I am from Dharamsir Desai University. Our ma'am Miss Anjali Thakur have decided to take our practical exams through this innovative idea that we have to upload our video on YouTube channel and encourage people through our topics. So my topic is 3R cycle. Yes. Everyone knows about this cycle, but fewer people are applying it on their day-to-day life. So this reduce, reuse and recycle. This cycle is known as 3R cycle. Today is a lockdown and everyone suffering from their day-to-day life things. Nowadays everyone getting the importance about this 3R cycle. Why? Because everyone are suffering from lack of resources, their day-to-day life things. So this is the best moment that everyone knows importance of reduce and reuse. So let's first start with the reduce. What is reduce? Reduce means using fewer resources. Yes, reduce is the top of the 3R cycle. Why? Why it is in the top? Simple logic behind it is that if there are less waste, then there is less to recycle and reuse. How we can reduce the things? How? So first is use both side of paper. So we can use the paper waste, reduce the paper waste. Second is use the electronic mail. Yes, that is important one. So there are less paper wastes. Third is don't use disposable things such as disposable plate, disposable items. Use cloth napkins instead of paper napkins. There are three simple steps to assessing the reduction value of an item or process. First one is, are you using the similar items? So let's take an example. If you are trying to buy cappuccino machine and coffee machine, yes, that both machines are different working. But if you are buying a coffee machine and take a attachment, then that also works as a cappuccino machine. Second is, are you using disposable items? Yes, we all know that disposable items are hard to reuse and recycle. So don't use that type of items. Third step is, are you using or buying your unwanted things? Let's take an example. If you have not using your car or don't know the driving, then why buying a car? Now let's go to the second one, reuse. Yes, we all know how to reuse the things. Our clothes, napkins, old furniture, everything will be reusable. Yes, also we can use these batteries, rechargeable batteries. So that will be help in hazards. So which are the reusable things? Old furniture, old books, old clothes, pots and jar glasses types. Yes, we can also include the rechargeable batteries. The third are recycling. It is the final stage of this waste hierarchy. So what is recycle? It is converting the material into a raw material which can be shaped into a new item. In this earth, everything is recyclable. Buy items from market that can be recyclable. Also, buy the items which are recycled. Don't need or don't buy that items which are hazardous to our environment. So these are the 3R cycle steps. Yes, there are 5R cycle and this is 3R cycle which is based of this 5R cycle. So that's it. 3R cycle